Let's take a look at how we're going to remove the chin strap from this Fox mountain biking helmet Speedframe model. The removal of the strap isn't only beneficial for when it needs replacing, but also for periodic cleaning. We could go ahead and unclasp it. You will then locate the 4 mounting spots, 2 for each strap. Using a flat blade screwdriver, you're going to pry up on the plastic retaining clip. The clip is plastic, so be careful as you pry. Once the clip has been removed slightly, you could pull it out the rest of the way with your fingers. At this point, it will reveal the metal retaining barrel that you will slide out from both the strap and the plastic retaining clip. Place the barrel aside, and then the clip could be removed from the strap. With both the barrel and the clip removed, the strap can be pulled free from the helmet. We will now repeat the process on the second anchor point. To reinstall the strap, reversal is required. We will push the strap through the open slot in the helmet as such. Feed the strap into the opening. Then with a pick tool, you could use that to slide into the opposing end of the strap to help pull it through the rest of the way. Then taking the plastic retaining clip, put it into position, then take the metal barrel and slide it through both the clip and the strap, locking them together. With both the plastic clip and the metal barrel secured together, pull the strap through the opening, and then finally with your fingers, push the retaining clip into place, as such. Repeat the steps for the second anchor point.